She's on this side. She's on this side. Valkyrie. She's right there. Get her, Crooks. Get her, Crooks. She's right there.
What?
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Take out the other gun, Maya.
What? Oh!
Are you that? Are you that?
Oh my gosh! Dog, this is so... Oh my god!
Someone else not room for Crooks.
Somebody else?
No. Oh my god.
Nobody
That
else,
wasn't
huh?
what I... that wasn't what I wanted. I promise.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Where should I? Outside there, sir?
Yeah, exactly where you said, kitchen window.
Ooh, somebody just raided me? Ah, Zoot here with the raid. Zoot, what's good? Oh my lord!
And I'd have done it too, if you kids hadn't have come along.
There, how them spot, huh? Oh! 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 Oh!
Good job!
Shot clips are all in your area.
That hatch.
Jackal is, being a piece of shit. Yeah, that's down. Crooks, solid. Solid Crooks!
Woo! S! Woo!
Woo!
Where?
Come on, bro.
Just slide it.
Took out all the good guns. Come on. Down here.
Careful. Somebody see me hold them and don't think I'm clever.
Oh, whoa!
Come on, bro.
Thing is weak.
Come on, bro.
Thing is very weak. Echo's weak.
Push the club. Wow. Where the fuck was that Valkyrie?
Yo, careful, duck over yourself. Whoever is inside. Okay, not dead.
Dog?